If you want to receive a commission, you have to fulfill one basic condition. In the month when you want to receive it, you have to purchase products worth at least 34.42 points, for example 2 bottles of 30 ml perfume. Now let's look what would happen if you reach the highest level of efficiency in Magnolia Club, 21%. Suppose you are a sponsor of a well-functioning distribution network with a turnover of as much as 43,134.42 points. The members of your group have earned the following points for selling products. In addition, you have sold products worth the minimum value necessary to receive the commission of 34.42 points. The 43,134.42 points you and your group have accumulated puts you at achievement level of 21%. An impressive turnover like this will directly affect the amount of the commission to both you and your group. Let's check now your commission each month resulting from the sale of you and your group. Let's try to count your commission from your sale and sale of your group. Basia sold products for 2,000 points, Paweł for 2,800, Anna for 5,500, Dominik for 6,200, Krysia for 9,600 and Bartek for 17,000 points. Appropriately, members of your group achieve the following levels of achievement. Basia and Paweł 6%, Anna and Dominik 9%, Krysia 12% and Bartek 15%. Your commission from sale of Basia's structures is 2,000 points multiplied by 15%, your achievement level minus level of the Basia's achievement. Your commission is giving you 300 zloty from the sale. Paweł's structures is 2,800 points multiplied by 15%, your achievement level minus level of Paweł's achievement. That is 420 zloty. Your commission from the sale of the structure is 5,500 points multiplied by 12%, your level of the effectiveness minus level of the effectiveness neither. That is 660 zloty. Your commission from sale of Dominik's structure is 6,200 points multiplied by 12%, your achievement level minus the level of Dominik's achievement. That is 744 zloty. Your commission from selling of the Krysia's structures is 9,600 points multiplied by 9%, your achievement level minus the level of Krysia's achievement, which is 864 zloty. From the sale of Bartek's structure, there are 17,000 points multiplied by 6%, your achievement level minus the level of Bartek's achievement, which is 1,020 zloty. Commission from your sale is 34.42 points multiplied by 21%. It is 7.23 zloty. Recalculating, thanks to your sale and sale of your group, you earned more than 4,000 zloty. Your commission isn't everything. Because of effective sale, all members of your structure earned more than 5,000 zloty.
It sounds really good.
Isn't it? And it isn't the end of possibilities. Let us go further. I will familiarize you with secrets of the membership in the exclusive club of the Orchid.
What is that?
The Orchid Club is a prestigious international association of leaders who are ranked at the highest achievement levels in FM Group's hierarchy. We have prepared numerous privileges and extra financial rewards for the leaders, including an additional commission from the second stage of the marketing plan. In this program, as much as 9% of FM Group worldwide turnover, calculated in points, is shared between all the members of the club. The honor is linked not only to financial profits, but also to other privileges, including prestigious positions and attractive events. The members of the club participate in Leaders' Councils at FM Group branches worldwide. The Leaders' Council is a valuable consultation and influences the company's strategy and development. All Orchid Group members meet regularly, not only for professional activities. FM Group organizes additional gatherings, including balls, parties and picnics, where they can share their opinions and experiences and discuss their successes. In the Orchid Club, you can have various honorary titles: Pearl, Amaranth, Golden, Diamond, and the most prestigious, Black Diamond Orchid.
What is necessary to do to become the member of this Orchid Club?
You receive the Pearl Orchid title if you sponsor at least one group with an achievement level of 21%, while the rest of your network has at least 20,000 points of turnover. Alternatively, you can also receive the title if you sponsor two groups that have an achievement level of 21% each. You receive the Amaranth Orchid title if you sponsor at least 3 groups in 3 different legs with an achievement level of at least 21% each. You receive the Golden Orchid title if you sponsor at least 3 groups in 3 different legs that each have reached an Orchid level. You receive the Diamond Orchid title if you sponsor at least 5 groups in 5 different legs that have each reached an Orchid level. Black Diamond Orchid is the most prestigious title in the Orchid Club. You receive this title when there is a Diamond Orchid in 10 different legs, and each leg has at least 1 million points monthly turnover.
What financial benefits are there for members of this club?
In any given accounting month, 9% of the FM Group worldwide turnover in points is allocated for sharing between all the members of the Orchid Club. The amount of the commission you get as a member of the club depends on the level you achieve in a given month. The money for leaders is divided as follows. The Black Diamond Orchid title, 0.5% of FM Group World's points turnover. The Diamond Orchid title is 1.5% of FM Group World's points turnover. The Golden Orchid title is 1.5% of FM Group World's points turnover. The Amaranth Orchid title is 1.5% of FM Group World's points turnover. The Pearl Orchid title is 4% of FM Group World's points turnover.
How much money can I get if, for example, I reach the level of Golden Orchid?
To better understand how your commission is calculated, you need to familiarize yourself with the terms that will be used later in the plan. The distributor's personal group's points are the distributor's group's points minus the group points of the orchid subordinate to the distributor. Remember that if you have several orchid members in one leg, you use the group point of the orchid located closest to you in your calculations. I will explain it through an example of the personal group points 21%. Let's take the Golden Orchid. Under the Golden Orchid there is 21% with group turnover 60,000 points. Under 21% there is a Pearl of the rotation block 50,000 points. To calculate the points of the individual 21% from the group points 21%, which is 60,000, you should subtract Pearl's group points held at 21%, which is 50,000 points. It gives 10,000 points. So personal group points of 21% gives you 10,000. Points stipulated are the points granted to distributors of your group which reached the achievement level of 21% or higher. For example, if in your structure there is a person who has reached the Pearl Orchid in the given line, and this is the highest level in this line, you get 60,000 stipulated points. Accumulated points, it is a sum of points of the personal group of the distributor and points stipulated. Important rule is the downline rule. If there are several orchid members on different levels in one downline, the points value needed for your calculation is the number of orchid points for the highest orchid level located closest to you. Let's take the Golden Orchid. Under it there is a Pearl Orchid, and under it there is another Golden Orchid. For the calculation, the Golden Orchid is considered because it is the highest achievement level. It is a model of calculation of your commission for the level of the Golden Orchid. For every group which entered the Pearl Orchid, you receive 60,000 stipulated points for the calculation. For every group which entered the Amaranth Orchid, you receive 90,000 stipulated points for the calculation. For every group which entered the Golden, Diamond or Black Diamond Orchid, you receive 120,000 stipulated points for the calculation. For every 5 directly sponsored groups and their multiply about the achievement level 21% or higher, you receive 60,000 stipulated points for the calculation, or for every 7 directly sponsored groups and their multiply above the achievement level 21% or higher, you receive 120,000 stipulated points for the calculation. 120,000 is a sum of 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D, 4E, 4G and 4H. The sum of points of personal groups of all Pearl and Amaranth Orchids is counting for the calculation. 5A, 120,000 minus 50,000 is 70,000. It's Pearl A minus Pearl B. 5B, 130,000 minus 50,000 is 80,000. Amaranth A minus Pearl C. 5A plus 5B is 5. That is 70,000 plus 80,000 is 150,000. Sum of points of personal groups of all directly sponsored groups about the level of effectiveness 21%, which aren't orchids, is being counted for the calculation. Calculation: 5 multiplied by 21%, 30,000, is 150,000 accumulated points. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6 is 60,000 plus 90,000 plus 120,000 plus 120,000 plus 150,000 plus 150,000 is 690,000. In order to calculate the amount of your commission, we will now set your percentage share. To calculate your commission, we can determine your share percentage now. For the calculation, we need the following information: all points accumulated by Golden Orchids in a given month, and your accumulated points previously calculated, which is 690,000. Now, these figures must substitute the following formula: your accumulated points divided by all accumulated points and multiplied by 100%. This way you get your share percentage. After calculating your percentage share of the commission, we can calculate your commission. To do that, we need to use another formula of the marketing plan. Multiply the company's turnover by 1